Today I start class 2nd English NCERT book Unit 4. Unit 4 Storm in the Garden. Page number 62. Page number 62 Storm in the Garden. Here see the Sunu Sunu the snail. Can you see the snail? This is called snail. His name Sunu Sunu. Sunu Sunu the snail is playing with his friends the ants. His friends are ants. See in the picture there are some ants, no? They are their friends, Sunu Sunu's friends. Suddenly there is a storm. He hurries to his mother and tell her all he saw and heard. One day in the garden, snail was playing with his friends. His friends are ants, called ants. See there in the picture. That time what happened will be in the garden. He come and explain to his mother, who Sunu Sunu. Just see there. First I will read the lesson. Sunu Sunu the snail was visiting his friends the ants. They climbed all over him. He. They climbed under him. He. See there. Sunu Sunu the snail was visiting his friends ants. Ants are climbed over the snail and under him. See there in the ground. See there, isn't it? They are playing. He. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. Suddenly, there will be start rain. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail and sat very still. Sunu Sunu, when the rain will start, crash through the clouds, Sunu Sunu quickly pulled his tail, pulled his tail in his head and pulled him in his tail and sat very still. Next page. Shall we go next page? Yes. See there, in the next page, outside the sky grew dark and the crows flew fast. Ka. When the rain start, outside sky grew dark. Sky is looking dark. The crows flew fast. Crows are flew fast, saying ka. Oh, but where were the ants? But worry about the ants. Sunu Sunu was worried about the ants. Where were the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. See there, feelers. Feelers means an animal organ that is used for testing things by touch. But Sunu Sunu was searched, but ants are hiding under the flower pot. Ants are hiding under the flower pot. Go home, Sunu Sunu, the ants cried out. Ants are cried. Ants telling to snails, Sunu Sunu, you go home. Your mother will worry. See there, hurry. Your mother will worry about you. You go fast to your home. Ants are said. Sunu Sunu went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the well. Near the well, Sunu Sunu's mother was sat near the well. Sunu Sunu went to his mother near the well and said, Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there is a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow. Oof. I saw trees. I swear. Share. I saw lightning, flash. Zack. This type of sound I heard. He explained the sounds about clouds crashings. Okay. To explain to his mother. Shall we go next page? Okay. The next page, see there. I heard thunder, roll. Ghadam, gudum. Snail heard the thunder sound. Ghadam, gudum, like that sound he heard. He explained to his mother, I heard rain fall, 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 sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita. I heard water drip, 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 plip, plip, plip. This type of sound I heard. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Ooh, she, zak zak, gadam gudum, sita sita, pita pita, sita sita, pita pita, flip flip flip. And do you know what? This is all the sound of thunders. When the clouds are crashing, that time we see lighting and sound, no? That sounds are gadam gudum, like that sound we heard, no? That type sounds snails are sends to heard and go and explain to his mother. Sunu Sunu did not get wet. Do you know why? Yes. Why he did not wet? Fastly he went to the near where his mother sat, isn't it? Okay, see here. Can you understand this lesson? Just you read the lesson and practice. Okay. Now see there. New words are given. Snail, dark, fearless, storm, lightning, thunder. Snail means a small animal with a round shell. Small animal with a round shell. See there in the picture you can see, no? This is called snail. Next, dark. Dark means with little or no light is called dark. Feelers. Feelers is an animal organ that is used for testing things by touch. Testing things by touch. Next, storm. Storm means a violent weather with strong winds. With strong winds. Next one, lightning. Next one, lightning. Lightning means bright flash with thunder. Bright flash with thunder. Next, thunder means crashing noise after lightning. Crashing noise after lightning. Okay, can you understand this lesson? And also you learn this new words. Okay, shall we go next page? Yes. See there in the next page they're given reading is fun. Answer these questions. Who was Sunu Sunu? Sunu Sunu was a snail, isn't it? Who was Sunu Sunu visiting? And where were the ants are hiding? Ants are hiding under the flower pot, isn't it? Yes, like that. And did Sunu Sunu get wet? No. He did not get wet, isn't it? Related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. Next, see there, let's talk. Do you go for morning walk? If you go, say yes. Have you ever seen ants in the garden? If you see, explain that. Watch and see where they go and what they to their holes. Okay, carry to their what they carry to their holes. Just you observe it. Okay. Next is the team time. Do you know why you see snails and earthworms after it rains sit in a group and discuss? Why they sit? Why you see snails and earthworms after it rains? Because their homes in the ground get filled with water. His home will filled with water. That's why they come out. Okay. Can you understand? Shall we go next page? Yes. See there in the next page there, let's write. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Pick the right word from the box. In, on, under, behind, over. In the box they're given these words. These words are called preposition. What these are? These are preposition. Where the things located. You learnt in grammar class? No. Have you remember that? Yes. Say this. Answer now. The cat is jumping. Where they're jumping? Over the wall. Over the wall. Right here. Over the wall. Next, the cat is in the box. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. Now the cat is, where is the cat here in this picture? The cat is behind the door. Right here, behind. Next, see here. Where is the cat? The cat is under the stool. Right here, under. See there. Next picture. Where is the cat? The cat is on the suitcase. On, behind, under, in, over. These are preposition. These are called preposition. Okay. Shall we go next page? Yes. See here, given one poem. Let's sing. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. Next, see there. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. I fly my kite, I fly my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day. This is the small poem just to learn and sing. Okay? Learn this poem and sing. Can you go next page? Yes. See there, let's practice. Here they given words rain, tree, coat, ship, field, play. Here they given dots. Join the dots and learn these words. Okay? Can you doing this? Related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you.